So guys, 2 ways you can get OBS streaming software for your computer. So this is a free screen recording software. You can also do stuff like live stream. So the first way is if you want the easier install where you also have automatic updates. Second way is if you want to customize the install. So the first way, again, the easier way. Press on Microsoft Store. Press on Search. Search for OBS Studio. So if you don't see it, what you can do is press here. Select OBS Studio. Select Install. Alright, so now the second way if you want more customization. So to open up a web browser, you can use Edge, Chrome. Go to google.com. Just type in OBS Studio Download for Windows. Select the first option. You see the website here. Full website obsproject.com/download. Select the Windows icon. Select Download Installer. So you should see a top corner. Double press it. Select Yes. Confirm. Press Next. Press Uninstall. So yeah, when you're done, just check off if you want, press Finish. Should see the icon. Alright guys, thanks for watching.